Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Temmybanjo and I am a keto addict, if there's anything like that. Anyways, today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. I almost said on a day. I'm going to show you guys what I eat in a day, and I'm also going to be showing you guys my staple meals that I always make sure I have in the house already cooked, so because I cannot afford to binge on something that is not keto compliant. And if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you keep watching this video. Have I said without further ado? I think I need to say that one again. Without further ado, let's go into the video. Ignore my ratchet backdrop. Things happen. So one of my staple meals to make is pepper soup. And today I'm making catfish pepper soup. I have my boiling water here. I'm going to go ahead and add my pepper soup spice to the water. And I go in with just very little. You don't need a lot. This is enough for the water. It might look like it's not enough at first, but wait until it boils and see the magic. This is the normal pepper, grinded pepper, Cameroon pepper, ginger powder, garlic powder, some salt. You don't want to go in with a lot of salt because the salt becomes more sensitive the longer you boil. So I'm going to go in with my turkey broth. This is turkey I made, so I'm just going to pour in the broth. Instead of using cooking cubes, because it contains carbs in it. So I'm just going to leave this to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. My pepper soup is already boiling. I'm going to add some crayfish to it. I'm also going to start adding my fish to it so everything cooks together, and I'm going in with the head first as usual and the rest of the catfish. Catfish is a very fatty fish which is rich in omega-3 acids, so it is good for your body. So I have pepper and saint leaf herbs. I am going to chop into my pepper soup spice, so I just want to quickly chop this into my spice, into my pepper soup rather. I'm not meant to add this, but just for some aesthetic inside my pepper soup, I'll just chop a little inside that. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my pepper soup. I'm going to leave this on fire for about another 15 minutes or 20 minutes just to heat up properly. So I'm going to be having my pepper soup with this keto bread I got from Keto NG, and they make 100% keto compliant keto meals. They have bread, they have pastries, they have yogurt, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be having my sardine bread today with my fish pepper soup, and this is hard because I put it in the freezer. That's how I preserve it, and I always have this for as long as a month. So I'm going to put this in the oven, and here is my pepper soup and my fish, my catfish pepper soup and my sardine bread rather. And this is so delicious for breakfast, even for lunch, but having this alone for breakfast is so good and so filling. For my lunch, I'm having fried pumpkin leaves and chicken. into my hot oil, I'm adding my garlic, onions, and prawns. A little bit of salt, ginger powder, Cameroon pepper, so once my prawns are done, I'm going to add my vegetable to them. This is ugu, pumpkin leaves. All you need to do here is just to keep stirring until the leaves become really tender as you can eat, as tender as you can eat. And ugu is a very nutritious meal because the greener your leaves, the healthier it is. I'm not saying other greens are not healthy, but this alone is blood tonic. Trust me on my word. So this is done now. I don't want it to cook too much. I'm going to serve this now. So I'm going to have chicken with my ugu leaves, and I'm going to steam that in the oven. I'm going in with pepper, ginger powder, garlic powder, some salt, some oil, just massage the chicken with my spice. This is the tray I'm going to use to put this in the oven. So my chicken is done, and I'm just going to serve my vegetables with it. So this is going to be my lunch: chicken and pumpkin leaves or ugu. All right, so for my dinner, I'm having salad, and I have cabbage, cucumber, lettuce, and carrot. You need to, or you must use another board for your vegetables that aren't going on fire or aren't going into heat, just to avoid food poisoning. So you notice here I'm not using the same chopping board that I used for my cooked meals, my onions, my prawns, and so on and so forth. I didn't use that here. I used a separate board. So in order to avoid food poisoning, please do not use the same board. So I'm slicing my cabbage now for my salad, and this salad is going to be more than a serving because I like to keep it in the fridge. As I said earlier, it's a staple meal. I always make sure I have salad in the fridge, so whenever I'm hungry or I need something to snack on, I just bring this out and put in mayonnaise in it. Or sometimes I fry chicken, grilled turkey, or tuna salad, or any of that. I just put into my salad and have that as lunch, as just a snack, and just to make sure I am not dodging in anything that isn't keto compliant. So I'm slicing my cucumber now, and I'm going to put that also in my salad. I know I said I stopped eating carrots, but only for salads I put a little bit of carrot, and I make sure it's not too much. As you can see in this video, I used just 1 carrot for this salad, and it's not like I'm eating it every single day. I have other things I eat, so just in this video. So now my salad is ready, and I'm going to go ahead and make one serving, which is going to be in a bowl, and I'm going to put that, and I'm going to put mayonnaise generously into the salad so it is really creamy. And this is my dinner. It is an early dinner, rather, meaning I'm having my dinner earlier than the normal time. I should, around 5 or 6 or 7 p.m. sometimes. And I'm going to generously put mayonnaise into it because I need a lot of fat, as this is a high fat diet. Also, I'm going to be having this with turkey that I boiled earlier on. So I like to boil turkey also and just keep, so whenever I'm hungry or I need to chew on something, you know how our snacks are, you know how our snacks are always very, very surprising to some people. You can imagine I have to snack on turkey. So this is my dinner right here, looking really good and sumptuous. Trust me, this is very filling, especially if you have this with water, flavored water. I like to put lime, lemon or strawberry into my water so it gives it a little bit of flavor. This is my dinner here. And guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Anyways, I have a proper outro that I'm going to usher you guys into. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed and you got to this point, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got ideas of food to make, keto compliant food to make. So go on and share this with your friends, your family, those who want to go on a keto diet but do not have ideas of what to eat. Let them know that keto diet is very easy to create recipes. Just make sure your fat, your protein and your vegetables are present in your plate. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, and put your thumb where your mouth is. I'll be sure to see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.